This is it. I made 40 new helicopters from military, cargo, civilian. This is it. All 40 helicopters from each, from small to the biggest. Here we are. Okay, this is it. My first DIY project. Every single helicopter I research, draw, and build it all by myself with no help. Okay, so let's have a review of each helicopter in Grand Theft Auto series. 1. Maverick. That's the only helicopter we could fly in Vice City. Police Maverick. News Chopper is a small version of the helicopter in Vice City. It's on the helipad. Alright, here it is. Leviathan from San Andreas. This thing could float on water. Alright. Here we are. Cobra. Coaxial rotor helicopter. Alright. That's the full collection of each helicopter I built. All 40 of them. Have a good April month. See you next time. Bye bye.